need to go. I have my cheese. And my peanut butter. I need to find my peanut butter. I need to find it now. Let's go. Can't go. This floor is just too floor. I need. No, such a whale. Okay. I need my bling bling, yo. Let's go. Let's try my bling. Bling. Let's go. I think it's somewhere here. Track only bling. Yo for shizzle dog. Where's that my bling? Come on, bling. Wait 1 second. Come on. What's your time? Yes. Okay, you know what? Forget the freaking bling. My bling sucks. I won't even go out the chain. Wait. I have a gun now. Don't you just love it? Now you're all gonna die. Wait. Goodbye. And I'm gonna kill you. You just died. Congratulations. Okay. That reminds me. Scooby-Doo's gonna kill you. That was strange. Didn't think Scooby-Doo had the guts to do that, but I guess he does. Yes. Did you know about Cuervo? The mystic Cuervo that's giving me the stink eye.
Ooh, major stink eye.
He's like, oh. When my leg feels better, you're gonna die. But then on the other part of his mind, he's like, oh, I just want to lay down. Then on the other side here, here's Dad. And here's Mom. Here's I.
Stink eye.
Exactly. Then here's what's his face with a hat on, you know. Wig.
That's where you look like a priest, Austin.
Pug in a suit. It's insane. Pug in a suit on Justin's head. That's just, oh my gosh. And just to tell you all, I'm actually a waffle. I didn't know either.